So, hello guys! For today video guys, let's eat lunch. My dish for lunch is this one, kamuti tops or sweet potato tops or sweet potato leaves. Put ginger, I put ginger and onion and salt and bitsin and vinegar or but actually not vinegar. I put this one uh, coconut wine. So let's eat. I have a two spoon, but the Filipino people even have a spoon. Very like to eat like this. The poor people. I am poor people. So that's why. I love to eat. Use my hand. It's very comfortable. It's very nice to eat using the hand. It's so yummy. This is one of my favorite because my father always cook this one because we are living in the jungle. So my father's always doing always making just like this. That's why I always miss this one, and I this is my favorite, one of my favorites. This is the dish of no low budget. Low budget, but you know this is too much healthy. This fresh, just maybe only 5 minutes I get from the backyard, in my backyard. And then I boiled water, prepare boiled water, and then when I finish, go to the backyard, I was in already pot cooked, so very fresh. You know, no chemical, organic. Very healthy. Very yummy. Ayaw sabi mo mata na. And I already ate her lunch. Anong gilutuan ko sa kwan? Sad ina. Sad ina ba? Ayaw na lang ka. Ayaw na. Ayaw. Anong tubig? Nagkuha ko buyo ron ha. Imuhang imnon ha. Akong humulan ha. Dapat hotdon jud nimo ha. And they still coughing. Later I get some leaves of herbal for coughing. I let her to take with her. This one very nice if you have a spring onion, you have tomato. Very nice, this one is perfect. But I don't have, only I have onion and ginger, so and then coconut wine and salt between. It's okay. Yummy. My cat is always walking. Na. Kabaa na iha ay. Mamatay na lang. Masaba mo kayo? Finish my rice. I have to take again. And then still have. Wait. I eat some rice. I get more rice. I'm still hungry because I love so much this kamote tops. Mm. 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 Ay, let's see. Mm. Someone chatting. I don't know who. Magkuha kong buyo ron kinahanglan hotdog ni mo akong humulan ha. My cat. You know my cat is very lonely. She's not happy. You know? She don't like vegetables. She want to eat. She want to eat the fish and dry fish. You know? This is my dish. She don't like it. That's why she's very lonely. She look at me, but she's very lonely. Not happy. I don't have a fish because we are in the jungle, living in the jungle. Sabahan, di ay mamata, ginarong bata ay. My cat, she don't like to eat only rice. She have a dish, but I don't have a yummy dish because I have a this one yummy for me, but my cat she don't like it this one. She don't like vegetable. The dog, if very hungry, she don't care. She eat all on the rice. She no need. She don't need meat or what anything. She don't need to fish and dry fish. She don't no need. The dog, my dog, it's a wild dog. This is sour because this is, you know, wine vinegar, coconut wine. My vinegar is organic. This is palm coconut. This is coconut wine. From coconut. No chemicals. It's organic. Done. Finish. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching. I show you my cat. Very lonely. Look at me. She looking at me. Very lonely. She don't have fish and dry fish. I don't have a dry fish and fish.